What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to get a custom background for your PS5. So if you want to be able to set a custom background image just like mine over here, this is actually an image I got from the internet and I was able to use it as the custom background for my PS5. And so I'll be showing you how to do the same thing on your PS5 in this particular video. Okay, so first things first, you want to come over to your mobile phone and then make sure you have the PS app already downloaded and installed. You can get this from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Once you get the app, you want to make sure you sign into the app using the same PlayStation account that is signed in on your PS5. Now, aside from the PS app, mine is already signed in. You also want to make sure you have the photo which you want to use or set as the background for your PS5. So I have a couple of images over here. I can go ahead and use this one or any one of these options. Keep in mind, you can as well use your own photo as the background for your PS5. And so once you have your background image and the PS app already downloaded and installed and you have signed in, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the message icon at the top right corner of the PS app, just at the top, and then you can go ahead and chat any of your friends from over here. If you do not have any friend, you can just search for one and then just add anybody to your friend list and then just enter the chat between your friend over here. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on the plus icon at the top close to the input field over here. Just go ahead and click on that icon, then click on the image icon over here. This will now allow you to be able to add photos from your phone on the chart. So I can just scroll down and then select any of the image over here. In my case, I'll just go ahead and use this one, select it just like so, and then just send this image to this particular user or your friend, whichever one. And once the image is sent to your friend, you want to come over to your PS5, and on your PS5 controller, you want to press on the PlayStation button and then go over to the chart, that is the game base. You want to scroll down and then select game base. You want to scroll down to messages and then go ahead and select that particular user. Now you can literally see the image you just sent. What you want to do is to go ahead and select the image, click on it, and then you can now proceed to take a screenshot of that particular image. So you just want to press on the share button, just long press on it for 3 seconds, and it is actually going to take a screenshot at the top of your PS5. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and open up your screenshot. So close this image, and then from this list of boxes you can literally see the newly created screenshot. You want to go ahead and just select that, and then you can proceed to edit it. So come over to edit over here, select that. Now go ahead and crop this particular image. So you want to click on crop, and now you can use your joystick to simply just crop through the image. So click on zoom, and then you can just crop just like so. If you actually want to position it to actually adjust to the right or to the left, you can click on done and then move over to position over here, select that, and then also position it properly just like so. Click on done. Now mine is now properly cropped. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and save this particular image. So click on save and then click on save as new. Now once you're done, in order for you to now use this image as the custom background for your PS5, you want to just go ahead and click on the done button, close this whole menu, and then you just want to scroll down from the welcome page and then scroll over to the top where we have this list of icon over here. You want to just come over to change background, select that, move over to media gallery over here, and at this point you should be able to see the image you just cropped. You want to go ahead and just select that, and automatically this custom image will now be set as the background for your PS5. But the problem you're going to notice here is the fact that we have all of these widgets blocking the image. So what you want to do is to simply just scroll over to where we have the edit widgets over there, select that, and then you can go ahead and just turn off all of these widgets. You only have the option to leave 3, so you can go ahead and choose the 3 options you want, and in addition to that you can as well choose to actually move these widgets to any part of the screen you want them. So I can actually choose this one and then choose to move it by simply clicking on the box and then move it to the bottom. Okay, so I have just turned off all of the widgets I don't need, and as you can see, I have now been able to set a custom background for my PS5. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.